How to unlock borrow on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can unlock borrow on Cash App. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and log in into your Cash App account. In order to unlock borrow on Cash App, all you have to do is just follow the instruction. So basically, in order to enable the borrow option on Cash App, you'll have to go through several steps, such as linking your credit card, debit card, and you also need to be a trusted members and all that, and you need to have a clear history on Cash App. Now basically, what you have to do is, in order to unlock borrow on Cash App, you'll need to first of all log in into your account. Now due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'm just going to instruct you. After that, you need to tap the home screen icon and go to the banking section. Then you need to look for the term borrow. Find the borrow. You can just proceed with taking out a Cash App loan, and you can just go ahead and tap on the borrow option, and you can just go ahead and tap on unlock. However, if you're unable to see the following borrow option, which means that if not enabled or you're not eligible to have this following option, so in this way you can unblock borrow on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.